Hey guys, welcome back to Half Done Outdoors. We just got done fishing on the river. We were able to use our new fly rod. Hope you'll stick around to see if we caught anything. It was a lot of fun. That's all I'm going to tell you. Alright guys, we got our first fish on our fly rod. Gonna try to get it over here where it can actually get in. Hey! All right. Would you film me? Mm-hmm. It's turning on already. Should be on.
That's a cool looking fish.
Yeah, that's a brown trout. Well guys, this is our brand new fly rod that we just built. Okay, Maddie, stand back just a little bit.
Have you caught any other fish?
Nope. Alright guys, this is on our brand new fly rod that we just built. One of our last videos. Show the fly rod here, Maddie. It's a little brown trout. Pretty nice fish for our first one. Pretty exciting. I've been at this for a while. We finally caught one. We're gonna get him put back in the net here and put him back in the water. Make sure he's good. Let me see the camera, Maddie. Alright guys, fish number 2. This one's a lot smaller than the last one. I don't think we'll even need the net for him. Another little brown trout. I know it's hard to see, it's getting dark. Caught that on our new fly rod. That's the second real fish. We've got some at the city pond. I'll clip that in next. Alright, first fish on the new fly rod. Just at the local community fishing pond here. But hey, fish and fish. Alright, that's the fish that we caught. Just a little guy.
Let's dump this fish out. Yeah.